now for better food. Today it's all about fresh and healthy ingredients.
James O'Shea from the West Street Grill in Litchfield is showing us a fantastic recipe using asparagus, radish, and lemon juice.
Hello.
Yes. Hello, hello.
I don't see
this
any
is
meat.
the time of the year that people have asparagus coming right up and out of the ground.
And it grows like an inch or like an inch an hour.
And
it's really
it's
wild.
the time of the year the grasses start growing so that the animals can go out and eat the grass as well.
That's
But
terrific.
no beef today. We have just asparagus, which is, right as I said, that's just starting to grow in this area right now. And it's a very quick and easy dish. Everything I like to make is really, I try to make it quick and easy.
All right.
So you just take asparagus. This is just boiling water, a little bit of salt. I use in this one a little bit of fleur de sel, and just put the asparagus into it. They don't take very long. They take about 30 seconds
That's it.
to a minute. And then you could take them out and put them into ice water.
So literally just water with a little salt and
Drop them in.
Drop them in.
Yeah, you could cook them you could undercook them and let them continue cooking, or do about a minute and put them into ice water.
Okay.
And that shocks them and stops them from cooking. Gives them a little green color.
Did you have to trim it all, or are they so fresh, no trimming on the bottom?
These are pencil asparagus versus the jumbo asparagus, so they're very thin, they're quite small, and you simply just cut the bottom off of them. Like there'd be about 2 more inches on here. Just cut that off. There's no peeling needed or anything like that. But the large jumbo asparagus, you would peel and chop off quite a bit off the bottom.
Yeah, I'm sticking with the pencils.
Yeah, so it's very simple. So I'm also going to
Easier.
I also have some fresh horseradish here.
Okay.
It's also coming right up. Right now is the time to pick up horseradish out of the garden. It's a large rhizome, and it's very simple to do it. You just simply, peel it with a knife, just very simply, carefully, and just peel it off like this, and then you just grate it.
It's like you grate ginger too.
Yes,
Similar.
the same thing on just a microplane there, just really fast, and it comes up and it has it's
really cool.
Yeah, and it's really strong. People use it mostly. Americans are very familiar with horseradish in Bloody Marys.
I'll put the hair right back on my chest.
Yes. So that's it. So these are done right now. That's how complex this is to cook.
This smells absolutely amazing.
Yeah, good, thank you. And then you just take this and you dump it into ice water, which I don't have here.
Okay.
But I didn't cook them very long, so we're good there. And all you do then is it is so basic. So then just get some olive oil. I use some really good extra virgin olive oil and just drizzle it across the top of these very simply. And then a little fleur de sel would be good on here. And just not too much.
Now, I got to ask, James,
yes?
is there a difference in regular salt and fleur de sel?
Yes, the fleur de sel is from the Camargue, northwest France, and they're from salt mines. And the water comes up from underground, and then they just rake off the salt. It floats on top, right in the sunshine in the afternoon.
Isn't that amazing?
And they're huge amounts of salt, and has a very wonderful briny essence flavor. I know salt is salt. But it has its own unique flavor when you have it, and has a nice crunch to it that actually is gentle enough so it won't crack your teeth or your crowns or caps or anything like that, or implants.
Good.
So it's very simple. Then just a little bit of pepper. I like to use Tella cherry pepper. Just on that, on the top, not too much. You don't have to if you don't care for it. And here I have a little Meyer lemon. Meyer lemon are sweet lemons. There's this is a regular lemon, and this is a Meyer lemon. They're from California.
You can eat that without puckering your lips?
They're sweeter. They're still quite acidic.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
So they're really good. And I just cut them into little tiny sections like this. You can cut them any way you want. This one has quite a few seeds, which is fine. Seeds are no big deal.
It's like a little
Take them
tangerine.
out. It is like a tangerine. It has a really beautiful floral smell.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, really nice smell. Sorry, excuse me.
Ooh.
There you are, really good. So then just cut them into sections, and you just put
the seeds out.
Take out the seeds and just put it on the salad, just simply like that, and let people squeeze it on themselves, or you could just squeeze some of this on here also, just like that. I'm also going to put on a little radish, because radishes are also in season right now, just regular radishes.
Okay.
Sweet radishes are amongst the first things that grow in the garden this time of the year. So you just use a microplane and just cut it, and just be very careful of your fingers, because this is quite lethal.
Lethal is right.
It really is. There you go.
Yeah, they come with, I have one that has a little handle.
A little guard.
Yeah.
Of course, cooks never use guards.
Can I do
Chefs never
this?
use. Absolutely use that. It's perfect. And just put them all around there and keep it simple, and just nice flavors. and it's spring. It's done really, really fast, and this is great as a side dish for Easter or for coming right up and serve it with eggs.
Paul, cut me up a Meyer lemon, would you?
And,
I'll cut you a little Meyer lemon right here.
Garnish my
Try not
asparagus
to
right here.
dip it in the horseradish.
And this is it. It's as simple as that.
As simple as that.
Where does the horseradish
The
come in?
horseradish just goes in just little tiny little bits on the plate.
On the plate on the side.
On the side, on the plate like this. Some people would like to use with the horseradish, it actually goes really good with truffle oil. Just very
Here's your
simple.
lemon, sir.
Thank
The
you,
whole
sir.
idea is to keep it all quick and easy. Like I said, a great starter could be a salad for lunch, or great on the side for Easter.
All right, now I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to go to the bathroom. I'm going to remember later that I had asparagus.
You'll be good. It tastes good. It has a nice crunch to it.
Oh, that's good.
Radish is delicious.
And so quick and easy to prepare. Even if you don't want to cook this, anybody
And you
can
serve
make
it cold.
And you can serve it room temperature, chilled, any way you like it all.
Oh my God.
Or even hot.
Or hot.
Yeah, absolutely hot.
Okay.
Out of the pan on the plate, right to whoever's going to eat it.
Simple, easy peasy.
Yes.
All right, the West Street Grill is located at 43 West Street in Litchfield.
Also, be sure to check out their website, weststreetgrill.com.